In this video, I will show you step by step how you can place trades on Oanda. So step number one, head over to Oanda. Now, once you open up the app here, as you can see, you've got all different kinds of currency pairs and assets. Now, if we go down to the bottom, we can then click on new order. And then this will then bring you over to here. Now you've got market order and you've also got entry order, which is sort of limit orders and stop orders. So what you want to do is you want to enter in the units, which will be your lot size, which you can figure out by calculating your lot size depending on what size account you have and what size your stop loss is. And it's also based on what you are wanting to risk. So you want to enter in this in here. So for example, one lot. The take profit price will also be shown on whatever platform that you're using to do your analysis. So for example, TradingView, if you go down to normal and guaranteed, you can just leave this on normal. And if you want to enter in a trailing stop, you can enter one of those in right there. And then once you have entered all this in, you can then click on submit. If you want to do a limit order, you can then enter in the quote, which will be your entry price. You can enter in your take profit and also your stop loss right here. Now, once you do that, you can then again simply click on submit. And then once you click on submit, that will then be entered into the market, ready to be triggered when price hits your level.